Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern Guernsey County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeast Illinois, western Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois until 11:30 a.m. At 10:24 a.m., National Weather Service in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 5 miles south of Malden to Serena and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern Guernsey County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois until 11:30 a.m. Indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-5 hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
This is Noah's Weather Radio, KX 5421.